Today let's make some khichadi, which is full with proteins and very easy with ingredients from your home. So rice, equal quantity of rice, and this is mixed dal, moong, tuar dal and masoor dal, all mixed in the same quantity, and 2 tablespoons of peanuts. I'm going to soak it for a few minutes. Soaking will shorten the cooking process. So I'm going to now rinse it 2 to 3 times before cooking it. So this khichdi is made full with proteins and very simple. So now I'm going to add some fresh green peas, 2 tablespoons, and these are peas which are fresh, which are pigeon peas which are fresh. So I'm going to add those. Some salt, some cumin seeds, and turmeric. That's it. It's very simple. Put some water, double the amount of all the ingredients together, mix it, and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. Yummy khichdi is ready. And I was making this for my daughter, so I thought of doing the video shoot. So what I do is, after I put it in her lunchbox, I top it off with some homemade ghee, butter, so it enhances the flavor. So this is a quick lunch, and I'm going to add some ghee. Since I didn't add any vegetables to this, I'm going to give her some salad. So usually she likes cucumber without any salt or anything. Just chop the cucumber, and that's what I'm going to put it on the top layer of this lunchbox. And this healthy quick lunch is ready. Do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments.